Okay, what's up, bratans? Welcome to another episode from Crypto Slavik. We are back here in our office, in our new studio. You know it. If you appreciate, hit the like button, bratan. And right now, we are speaking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin going through the roof for us day traders. We saw yesterday, this was a pump yesterday of over 2.4%. Yes, there are some people who are crying around, "Oh, that's not much, blah, blah." But yes, for us day traders, it's much because if you're 100x leverage, 240%, I'm just joking, bratan, but 20x average is over 48%. Long opportunity, amazing, bratan. And some people also cried, your short got liquidated. It's not got liquidated. It will get liquidated if we're pumping above this white line, right? But still, I double down on my short. And what will happen next? Will we see a break above this white line? Or will we get rejected and see a huge dump down and everyone getting shit into their face because they are longing? This is what we will speak about, bratan. So if you appreciate this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Sorry for this late because I was the whole time with my son babysitting, but right now I here for you, bratan. So let us go and watch what is happening here because it's very interesting, bratan. Yesterday, blядь. Wait a minute, how I can go back on? Wait, I have to go on this line back. So yesterday, we had this rising wedge, right? And I told you as soon as we're breaking here this line to downside, we can short. And if you shorted here, let's say from here, for example, wait, the jobany vrot. From here, you had 1.1%, 11%, 20, 22%. And I was also here massive in profit. I had over 600 dollar profits. It was around 100% profits. It was amazing, right? But what will happen next right now, man? I love it to draw here on this because my drawings were not the best when I was in school, right? So I changed to music, but music was also not the best, but still it was enough to get on universal music deal. So what will happen next, brother? Because this is very interesting. It could be I just say it could be that we are forming here so-called a Bart Simpson pattern, So you see, because it looks like this, and then we see huge dump, right? It's very interesting. Some people call it also this is a bull flag. This is also valid. I don't discussing here with you guys because this is also a pretty valid bull flag. The technical price target of this bull flag would be here 16,830. So this would be all a trade of around, wait a minute, I measure for you, if it works out, of 2%, 10x, 20%, 20x, 24%. What's interesting, this price target also perfectly matches with this resistance line, which is coming around 16,800. You see, based on the past, you have here resistance, we have here resistance, we have here support and resistance, and obviously also here support and resistance. So it's getting very, very interesting in my opinion, bratan. So wait a minute, I have to go back to this. So yes, but, and right now it's getting a very big but. Not big booty but hear me out, bratan. Yeah, my humor is today amazing. So we could, yes, for some people who are right now in a long, please take profits right now because this is getting very, very dangerous right now. Wait a minute, I have to watch. Okay, yeah, we are on the right picture. For some people, we could long right now. However, I would be very carefully, bratans, because this looks more like a bearish divergence. You see, RSI is going down while the price is going slightly up. You see, slightly up. This is very dangerous in my opinion. This is one first thing. Okay, I start again. If you are longing right now, I would make a stop loss below 16,423 approximately, below this level. Because if we're breaking 60,423, for me, this is a very, very clear confirmation that we will see a breakdown to the downside. So this would be short opportunity. So if we break 60,426 approximately, we can start to short down Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. First price tag would be 6,280. Next one would be here around 16,150. And next one would be around 16,059. And we can go even lower, right? So for me, this is very, very clear. And I'm expecting if we are breaking 16,400, let's say 16,000, let's say for it's easier. If we break 60,400, I expect that we will see even lower. I expect that we will reach, wait a minute, if we break 6,400, I expecting that we will create here a local lower low. So I expecting here at least that we will reaching here 15,874. So this could be all in all 3.6%, 36%, 20% over 72% short opportunity in case we are breaking 16,400, because this is in my opinion, a huge trap, a huge trap. In my opinion, this is a huge trap. I explain you also exactly why I'm not like these haters in the comments who are like, you lost your trade, we will go to the moon. No, I explain you exactly. Wait a minute here. Wait, stay here with me. So this is for short. In case I stay bearish, unless we're not breaking this line to the upside. If we are breaking 16,470 with a clear 15-minute candle to the upside, then I getting bullish, then I'm jumping also into long. Why this line, Bratan? I explain you also here. Wait a minute, Black, how can I go? You know, I'm usually recording on the phone, so therefore... Yes, you see, because it's a big resistance line. It was a support, and here was support and resistance. And right now, it's very clear. If we are breaking 6,570 approximately, the clear 15-minute candle, this is a very clear sign, in my opinion, to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? So this could be from here on. It's a long opportunity of 1.5% to 6,800, 15%, 20% over 30% long opportunity, right? So very clear. If we're breaking this white line to the upside, I will be bullish, and then we can easily long, in my opinion, because also you see how this TA is so sexy. You see here it perfectly fits. If we're breaking here this line to the upside, then we are breaking also here this major resistance. You see, look at this major resistance. This is crazy, man. This is amazing TA. This is beautiful TA. So then we can long. However, like I told you, I remaining bearish unless we're not breaking 6,570 approximately, right? If we break 6,570, I getting bullish, right? Right now, I remain bearish, especially if we break 6,400, then this is for me a very clear sign to even add to my short, right? Why I am bearish? Why I'm bearish? Why I'm bearish? I'm bearish because, like I told you, as long as we're not breaking this line, and right now, this is the biggest argument for me. If we are watching the S&P 500, right? Then what we are seeing, yes, the S&P 500 on the 15-minute is heavily oversold, right? On the 1 hourly, on the 15-minute, but on the 4 hourly, we are still overbought. This one thing, we are still overbought. Now people say, oh, but 15-minute is oversold and 1 hourly oversold. You are right, bratans. But this is, look what the perfect double bottom we created. This is a perfect double top. What's happening today? We created a perfect double top, you see? So therefore, this is very bearish. And also, another thing is, what is very, very clear for me, is this line. Look at this line, Bratan. Wait a minute. How I did draw this line, I forgot it. I think it was like this approximately, or it was like this. I don't remember. I mean, it doesn't matter how you draw it. If you draw it like this, you see it also. You see how perfectly we see here that we are falling this line. We broke this line to the downside, and this is a very, very big support line which we broke down right now. In my opinion, this is the double top. First thing, the double top. Then on the 4 hourly, we see a very clear that we are overbought, and the double top, and we broke here below this line. In my opinion, this is a very clear sign that we will see another cool down of the S&P 500, and this pump in the Bitcoin price was only a very clear liquidation. The farmers, the whales seeking for liquidation to liquidate you because everyone getting on a long position. I expecting that this is the true support which is coming here. You see here support. I expecting here that we will see a dump the S&P 500 another 2%, which would be very dramatic for Bitcoin, because this is another like 8% for Bitcoin, or even 10%. You know, S&P 500 is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. So I expecting, as we broke here this support line which I showed you, as we create double top, and as on the 4 hourly we are still overbought, I expecting that we will see a breakdown to the downside, especially because there is no reason for the pump. There was really no reason for the pump. So in my opinion, this is a very, very clear fake out in my opinion. However, it's not a financial advice, bratans. Do your own research. And 1 hourly we see Bitcoin also heavily overbought. 4 hourly is also slightly overbought. 15 minute is neutral right now, but in my opinion, this is very clear. Do your own research. It's not a financial advice, but obviously, if you're breaking this line to the upside, so around 6,570, then we can start to long. Then I'm getting bullish again. Right now, I'm remaining bearish, and this is only a fake out right now, especially because it's you have the suggestions. It's a bull flag, but this is how they catch you, right? Not a financial advice. Do your own research. I'm still in a short, and let us quickly watch also the futures right now. In the futures, we closed at 3,963. You see here, but the futures see a pump at 3,981. So if the stock market opened 9:30 US time, New York time, like this, we will see small pump in the S&P 500, which will cause also pump in the Bitcoin, which could cause a pump to exactly this support line at 6,570 or maybe 6,600 even, and then we could see a dump. This is what I'm expecting, not a financial advice. Like I told you, if we break 6,570, to clarify, then I'm getting bullish with a clear 15-minute candle. I mean a clear green candle, a clear volume. Then I'm getting bullish again. If we are getting rejected, or especially if we're breaking 6,400, I'm getting again bearish, and I remain still bearish unless we not break 6,570. Please write down below if you understand what I talked about. Please write down below, bratans. It's very important for me. If you understand, I have to be very fast because, bratans, don't forget, we are trading on the crypto exchange on BitGet at the moment and Bybit. On BitGet, you get at the moment $8,000 for free and 50 USD for free after your first trade and initial deposit. And on Bybit, you get at the moment $30,030 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. Both links are in the description and first comment pinned down below. And the good thing is, bratans, if you are trading through my affiliate link, you get not only the bonus, you get also free access to my Discord Telegram channel absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything because you support me, I support you, and you get the bonus blind, and you get everything blind. So, and a rim drop and everything. So, bratans, check it out if you want. Links are down below. Very clear. Let us quickly have, and don't forget, subscribe to Slavik Crypto, because here you get also daily nice information and also some very, very funny clips, right? Let us quickly watch Ethereum very quickly, the price targets for Ethereum. So if we see Bitcoin pumping, if we see Bitcoin further pumping, we see also here major resistance line. You see here, right? I know it's not the best, my drawing skills. So it's very clear. If Bitcoin is pumping, we can long Ethereum. First price tag is 1,260. No, I would say here is 1,240, because here you see a lot of resistance, and the next one would be around 1,400, 1,275. So 4.7%, thanks to 47%, 27%, over 94% long opportunity if Bitcoin is pumping. However, we're expecting Bitcoin is dumping unless we're not breaking our resistance line. If Bitcoin is dumping, first price tag would be 1,167, and the next one would be here around 1,140, next one 1,090, and the next one obviously our lower low at around 1,070, 11.8%, thanks to 118%, 20x average over, but at 220% short opportunity in case Bitcoin breaking further down, how we're expecting right now, unless we're not breaking, or except we are breaking this resistance line, which I showed you before, right? So we are expecting that Bitcoin dumping, then Ethereum also dumping. Please take profits along the way down. If you're shorting, if you're longing, same, take profits along the way up, because nobody knows when we see a turnaround. So very clear. Again, quick summary for my disabled people, bratans. Very clear. If Bitcoin is breaking 60,470, this is for me with the clear 15-minute candle, clear volume, we can start long Bitcoin, Ethereum. If Bitcoin get rejected here, or if Bitcoin breaking below 6,400, this is a very clear short opportunity for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Not a financial advice, bratans. Do your own research, and don't forget, on BitGet, go and claim your bonus of $8,000 for free, and 50 USD you get for free after your first trade and initial deposit, and get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. And on Bybit you get even $30,030 after you match some requirements after initial deposit. So very clear. Links are down below, bratans. If you appreciate the videos, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Look at this, how beautiful this Eiffel Tower, man. I love it. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah. With Dolby Surround. Mwah.